So you see that AI is actually booming for the last couple of years, and I know exactly that you are using them too. But the thing is, you're actually using them wrong, and I'm gonna explain you why. So you see, for the couple of years we got a big step ahead in the... For the couple of years the AI has actually made these steps ahead. If we even gonna take the example of AI video generating, we actually can see that from the Will Smith in Spaghetti, we huge step to the actually AI girls that people are making to create their OnlyFans agency, or even the scam people. And the crazy part is that image and video is not the only thing that are improving right now, but even the usual ChatGPT is actually improving too, but you never expected it. Today I will give you a list of the best AI that can actually help you to quit your 9-to-5 job, and the last one is actually gonna blow your mind. So starting with the same old image generated service that created a lot of entrepreneurs to create excellent images, and they also AI girls that actually can, and realistic AI girls for the OnlyFans agency for a lot of entrepreneurs as well. And I'm talking about the Stable Diffusion. One of the biggest trends is openness. So you actually can create any sort of images that you can ever imagine. If you want to create, I don't know, nudity, you can create a nudity up there. If you want to create a really fantastic image with the cyberpunk stuff, with the cyberpunk vibe, you can actually create there too. But the problem is with the Stable Diffusion that you need to download them on your PC. It's not like online service like Midjourney or DALL-E from ChatGPT. Is actually the service that it's actually offline service that you download on your computer, and it's using energy of your computer to create the image. And it actually depends how much performance your computer also have. In the Stable Diffusion you have a lot of models that people creating for their needs, and they actually public them on, and this website I'm gonna give you on my Telegram channel, and the link to the Telegram channel you can find in the description. So how's this work? First, the model turns you into text prompt, into vector, blah 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 blah. And the Stable Diffusion can mimic almost any style: watercolor, oil painting, 3D graphic, realistic, anime, and more and more. But the real magic is control. With a tool like ControlNet, you can define any poses that you ever wanted, shapes or layout as well. With LoRA, you can teach the model to create the new characters or art style using just a handful of images. And it's actually a really cool tool that can help you to create any imagination that you have in your head. And the crazy part is that the Stable Diffusion isn't even near enough with the last AI that I'm gonna give you. So it was just kind of, you know, a quick reminder about everything. So the next one that I'm gonna talk about is the Claude AI, and it's actually one of the best, and it's actually on the same level with the ChatGPT. But if you have to decide which one are you gonna use, so the best choice is gonna be the Claude AI, and that's why. So like I said, it's more like a ChatGPT, but if we're gonna compare each of this, we see that the Claude AI is more specializes on the writing codes instead of ChatGPT. So now you might ask you why I need to create a code for something if I don't need that, but you never know. It's more gonna clarify you on everything that you ever have, and it's gonna help you to create one of the best codes that can ever exist. Just because Claude have a trait of clarity, explaining things in a logical way, and it's actually thinking in a logical way as well, making it more a favorite among writers, entrepreneurs, students, engineers, and businesses as well. So it's more like wherever you need a really nice code, or maybe a draft report, or maybe build an app, or even explore new ideas, actually Claude AI is one of the best that you can ever have. And the next one that I'm gonna talk about, the one actually you see on the TikTok or the Instagram or maybe the YouTube Shorts, and I'm talking about the Sora AI. So there's a lot of videos where, I don't know, old people are going to the beach and saying the curse words, or maybe the other video where a cat is actually showing you the middle finger. This is the work of Sora AI, and it's actually the OpenAI, so ChatGPT. So the main idea behind the Sora is to help people to create their visual content that they have on their mind, without needing cameras, actors, or complicated editing tools as well. It just, you describe a scene, you tell whatever you want to see in that scene, and you see the magic happen. We already see how people are using this AI model, so to creating nonsense video, or to create even the ads for, oil change or the other stuff. So it's actually helping a lot, and I'm gonna give you the quick idea what you can do with this is to create your own agency that create the ads or videos for the company. So right now Sora is still being tested, and OpenAI is focusing on safety environment, safety rules, and safety blah 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 blah. And just to make sure that the model can be used to create a harmful or misleading content. Because this Sora AI is actually one of the most powerful AI that can ever exist right now. There are concerns about deepfakes and incorrect information, and OpenAI is trying to address this issue before releasing Sora widely. And the crazy part is that the Sora is actually not perfect. Sometimes it makes mistakes in unusual object shapes, incorrect shadows, or actions that don't fully follow physics. But as the technology improves, these errors might become less noticeable. And if you're gonna combine, Stable Diffusion, Cloud, and Sora into the one big ecosystem, it's actually the deadly weapon that you're gonna create. Yeah. And the next one that we're gonna talk about is one of the most famous as well. It's called ElevenLabs. You might not know it, but this is actually the service that creates a really nice robotic voice for your videos or for your content as well. So in the past, computer generating voices actually sound like a robotic thing, and you can hear it now. They had like a flat intonation, and they even didn't capture emotion as well. With the ElevenLabs, has completely changed everything. So ElevenLabs actually is using the real human voice and a human speech, and as a result, the voices it produces can sound much closer to how people actually talk, or even how they actually talk, not the close to. One of the key features of ElevenLabs is voice cloning. So this means you can record your own voice or use a provided sample, and the system can create an AI version that speaks like you. This can be useful for content creators who want to keep a consistent voice in their video, podcast, audiobooks without recording every line manually. As an example, now I'm sitting right here telling all this stuff, but if I'm gonna clone my voice, it's actually gonna resolve all this problem, and I'm not gonna sit right here in front of you and just push one button and you're gonna create and produce my own voice. And another feature that ElevenLabs is using is actually multilingual support. ElevenLabs can speak different language while keeping the same tone and style. For example, a voice that sounds like an American speaker can also read text in Spanish or even the Japanese or even the Russian. And now, while we having all this list of AIs that can actually help, and you now can create, I don't know, build an app or, build a code, build the scenarios for yourself, or even brainstorm the idea with the GPTs for your future business. Even you can create now image, videos, voices, and everything that you can ever imagine. And the next service that I'm gonna give you, it's gonna combine everything in one. So it might sound crazy, but it's actually a reality that already existing for, I don't know, a couple of years or maybe. And I'm of course saying about N8N. So for the people who never heard about N8N, it's actually the toolkit that can help to create automated workflows without needing to write a lot of code. You can think of a system that connects different apps and services so they can work together automatically. So for you now, it sounds like really nonsense why I need to automate something. So we're gonna go deep in there and see what we actually can do with it. So, and the next one is the last one that I'm gonna talk about all the time. The AI that can help you to organize your life. The AI that can help you to get up in the morning. The AI that can become your second friend, that you can talk with it, that gonna give you a father figure or wherever. And I'm talking about the AI that is available on Telegram channel. So you just go to the Telegram channel and you see the big, even if we're gonna combine everything that I'm just said about N8N Eleven Labs, Sora. It actually the new kind of the technology, a new kind of a model that can create people to organize their lives. So as an example, you are the worker that are, I don't know, stuck in a 9 to 5 and trying to see how he can seek any more hours to create for himself a side hustle that can potentially retire him. So this AI is actually gonna help you with this. You're just gonna tell him what you need and he's gonna give you what you need every time. You're gonna create even your task for your special needs. You're gonna create everything that you ever need for yourself. So to see how this AI is looking, all you need to do is just go to the Telegram channel and you're gonna see the big message on the pinned messages. So everything is gonna be described up there. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this might help you, and of course, all the AIs you can see in the description, all the links you can see also in the description. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you're gonna improve yourself. So thank you and bye.